Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're on the hunt for the best leave-in conditioner spray detangler, you've just found it. Today, we're diving into the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner, a powerful, nutrient-rich treatment that's won over curlies everywhere. Whether your hair is wavy, curly, or coily, this product promises to detangle, hydrate, and repair with every use. Let's break it down. The Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner comes in an 8-ounce cream form and is specially crafted for curly hair types. It's designed to repair damage, prevent breakage, and keep curls soft, bouncy, and manageable. One of the standout features is its nourishing formula, free from silicones, parabens, sulfates, and artificial colors. It's more than just a conditioner, it's a complete curl care solution in a bottle. Now let's talk ingredients. At the heart of this conditioner is certified organic blueberry extract, rich in antioxidants and vitamins that are clinically proven to repair damaged hair and encourage growth. Coconut oil adds deep moisture and softness, while aloe leaf juice and chamomile extract help calm the scalp and smooth the hair shaft. These ingredients work synergistically to hydrate, detangle, and nourish your strands from root to tip. Using this leave-in is super simple. You can apply it to wet hair straight out of the shower or use it on dry hair to refresh and detangle. It's perfect as a prep product before braiding, twisting, styling updos, or wash-and-go routines. Just work a generous amount through your strands, paying special attention to the ends, and comb through for even distribution. No rinse needed, just style as usual. What sets this product apart is how versatile and effective it is across different curl types. It hydrates without weighing the hair down, makes detangling effortless, and actually strengthens the hair over time. You get that touchably soft, frizz-free finish, and the subtle blueberry scent adds a fresh twist that makes your routine feel like self-care. Curls is a brand founded with a clear mission: to deliver quality, reliable hair care that celebrates natural texture. Created by Mahisha Dellinger, a former Fortune 500 marketing manager, the brand focuses on clean, organic ingredients with real results. The Blueberry Bliss line, especially this reparative leave-in, exemplifies that philosophy perfectly. It's a top seller for a reason. So if you're looking to restore moisture, tame tangles, and give your curls the TLC they deserve, the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner is a must-try. It's effective, clean, and made for all curly hair textures. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to review next. Catch you next time.